my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel 2F bonus. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Engage, MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, framework and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Excel 2F bonus. Here is a project description. In the following project, you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the compensation for the commercial salesperson who qualified for bonuses in the Western and Eastern Canadian regions. Here is a project description, as you can see that. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is, here is a workbook. Question number 1 is, open the Excel file student Excel 2F bonus downloaded with this project. In this question, you will have to download this Excel workbook from MyITLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. And question number 2 is, rename sheet 1 as Northern and rename sheet 2 as Southern. In this question, you will have to rename the first sheet to Northern and rename the sheet 2 as Southern. Right click and rename this Northern and copy this Southern and right click on sheet number 2 and then rename it. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, select the Northern sheet tab to make the active sheet and then group the worksheets in cell A1, type Rosedale, landscape and garden, and then let me highlight this, and then merge and center the text across the range A1 to F1. Apply the title cell style, merge and center the text in cell A2 across the range A2 to F2, and then apply the heading 3 cell style. And move to the workbook, Northern sheet. Then group in cell A1 type this text, cell A1 type this Rosedale landscape and garden, and then merge and center the text to the given range. Then apply the title cell style, merge and center text in cell A2 across the range A2 to F2, and then apply the heading 3 cell style. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is the bonus rates for each salesperson are determined by sales amount using the following scale. Sales eligible for the bonus greater than $35,000 earn a bonus rate 5%, and sales greater than the $25,000 earn a bonus rate of 4%. All other sales with any amount greater than 0 earn a bonus rate 2%. With the sheet will still grouped in cell C5, use the ifs function to determine a bonus rate. For the first salesperson whose sales are in cell B5, fill the formula down through this cell C8. Here is a statement of question number 4. In this cell, you will have to write a function. If B5 greater than $35,000, then display 5%, and if and B5 is greater than 25,000, then display the 4%, and if B5 is less than B5 is less than 0, or sorry, if B5 less than 25,000, then show the 2%. If, if you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. There is a formula you can use for this question. Then fill the formula down to the last of the range. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is in cell D5 calculate bonus for result by multiplying the sales eligible for bonus times the bonus rate. Copy the formula down through the cell D8. In this cell, you will have to write a formula. C5 then copy the formula down to the cell D8. Drag this formula to D8. As you can see that the bonuses are now calculated in these cells. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. In cell F5, calculate the total compensation by summing the bonus and base salary for REL. Copy the formula down through the cell F8. In this question, you will have to calculate the total compensation. Total compensation equals to base salary. Use sum function and then base salary bonus and then drag this formula to the last of the range F8. As you can see that the total compensation are now calculated. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 8 are completed. In row 9, use a function to sum. Use a function to sum the columns for sales eligible for bonus, bonus base salary, and total compensation. Apply accounting number format with 2 decimal places to the appropriate cells in row 5 and row 9. Do not include the percentages. Apply autofit to any columns in which the hashtags column with error display. There are question number 7. In this question, you will have to sum the column for sales eligible for bonuses and bonus base salary and total compensation. Then sum this one. And then same for bonus. Pass this range to calculate the base salary total. And also calculate the total compensation. Use the sum function and then pass the range F5 to F8. This one. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and then apply the accounting number format with 2 decimal places. We have applied the accounting number format with two decimal places. Question number 8 is apply the comma style with two decimal places to appropriate cells and do not include the percentages. Apply the total cell style B9 and D9 to F9. Apply the comma cell style. Select this, then apply comma cell style. And apply the total cell style B9, D9 to F9. In this range, you will have to apply the cell style. Apply this cell style. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is ungroup the sheet and then insert a new worksheet. Change the sheet name to summary and then widen column A to 28 and column B to E to 21. In this question you will have to rename the sheet to summary. Right click on this and then rename this sheet to summary and then wide the column A to 28 and the column B to E 28 and then column B to E to 21. Then set the column width 21, this one. Question number 9 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is move the summary sheet so that it is the first sheet in the workbook. In cell A1 of the summary sheet, type Rosedale Landscape and Garden and then merge and center the title across the range A1 to E1. Apply the title cell style in cell A2, type June Commercial Salesperson Bonus Summary California and then merge and center the text across the range A2 to E2. Then apply the heading 1 cell style. In this question you will have to move the summary sheet to that is the first sheet. And then type Rosedale Landscape and Garden, copy this and then paste this and then merge and center the title across the range A1 to E1, A1 to E1, merge and center this and then apply the title cell style. Click on cell style, then apply the cell style. In cell A2, type this text June Commercial Salesperson Bonus Summary California and merge and center this and apply the cell style. We have now completed 10 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, and many more online courses. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Maths, MyLab Stats, MyLab PowerPoint, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to contact me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.